In today's intermediate work, I'm going to go over probably the most popular question people ask, and that is the drawings that I do on my text starters with all the arrows and text boxes. So we're going to go back to Insert and click on Drawing. And within Drawing, you can freehand whatever you'd like with all these arrows, but I'm actually going to show you what I do with a picture. So I've gone back to Images. I'm going to search. I'm just going to type in grease. Again, this is the image search engine. A great thing to do this in is maps. I like to do this a lot. So my map comes in and it's already got some writing in it. It's way too big. It's actually going to show up in my document this big. So I'm going to go to the corner. You always want to go to the corner because it equally makes it smaller. Maybe a little bigger so we can see it here. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go up here to my line. I'm going to select an arrow, and maybe I want everyone to focus on Arcadia, so I'm going to point that. I kind of don't like how it's black because it doesn't stand out. Oops, that also happens. So I'm going to go to line color here and change it to red just so it pops on the screen. Another thing you can do is go up here to text box. And I'm just going to write grease right here. But again, I want it to stand out, so I'm going to highlight the word grease, go up here to text color, and also make that red so it kind of pops out a little bit. The one other last feature that I do love is under shapes. One of the arrow features is called a left arrow callout or just an arrow callout. So I'm going to select that. And I love this because it puts color in the background, and this is an automatic text box. So I've double clicked in the center and I can ask a question right here. And you'll notice like it didn't fit quite right, but I want it to be this size. So I'm just going to highlight the words again and go up here and change it to size 10. Maybe I could just pull it over a little more so that question mark gets in there and you can ask a question in the text box. So once you're done with all your little additives, the shapes, the text boxes, all you do is hit save and close, and it's going to pop right into your Google Doc. Again, I do like to click on the picture and select wrap text, because if I decide to move this up in this corner, look what happens to my text. It just goes around the picture perfectly. No matter what I do to this, if I change the size of it, all my arrows and my text and my question boxes, they all stay the same, which is great. You don't have to fumble around and make them point to the correct thing as long as they're all embedded into a drawing. So that is Google Drawings. Thanks.